It actually pains me to believe that all these men who for the last 4.5 years one has worked with, we've discussed several issues, still I do see a gender bias in this room that we are all working in. Here we are not discussing about men's rights. We're talking about security of the woman, which happens to be one of their wives, one of their daughters and one of their mothers.
कौन हम में से जो पीछा नहीं किया? और महिला जो है वो महिला को जब उसको बात करना पड़ती है तो पहले महिला नहीं लिफ्ट देती है, उसे कोशिश करना पड़ती है, प्रेम से बताना पड़ती है। ये पूरे देश का किस्सा है। उस समाज को चेतन करने के लिए लंबी बहस चलवाओ, लंबी बहस चलाओ, और ये तात्कालिक कदम जरूरी होता, लेकिन दूरगामी कदम भी उसके साथ साथ चलना चाहिए।
Some controversial comments, it seems, coming from the JDU's Sharad Yadav. Sumit Pandey is joining us live from outside Parliament. Sumit, take us through the discussions. There's been a lot of debate about what should be included in this anti-rape bill. What did our MPs have to say today?
Well, basically, if you look at the final draft of the bill, which has been cleared by the cabinet yesterday and which was presented and introduced by the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, it is basically it contains basically a consensus or the consensus view of various political parties that they have arrived at, and only then this draft has been approved. But yes, the reservations and concerns of various sections of the polity are being expressed by sections on the floor of the House. Mulayam Singh Yadav and Sharad Yadav were two leaders who had a lot of contentious issues that they had raised even when this was being finalized and consensus was being reached, and Sharad Yadav on these issues has earlier also made controversial statements on the women reservation bill, that his famous quote of Pargati women, Mahilaएं, it is quite well known. So yes, even from NCP, as Supriya Sule stood up to express her party's views on this entire exercise, she did mention the views of certain MPs and said that it makes us sad that when we are discussing these issues, such comments from male MPs are coming.
All right.